Grow a fall salad garden. Imagine stepping outside this fall and picking everything you need for a fresh, delicious salad. The best part? You don't need a huge backyard or years of gardening experience. Today, I'll show you how to grow an easy fall salad garden that's perfect for beginners and can keep producing fresh greens for weeks. Most salad vegetables love cool weather. Unlike summer, fall brings milder temperatures that help greens stay crisp, flavorful, and less likely to bolt or become bitter. You'll also have fewer insect problems and less watering compared to the hottest months of the year. If you've never grown vegetables before, a fall salad garden is one of the easiest places to start. The best greens to grow: start with vegetables that grow quickly and enjoy cooler temperatures. Leaf lettuce is one of the fastest growing options. Spinach produces tender, nutritious leaves. Kale becomes sweeter after cool nights. Swiss chard adds colorful stems and continuous harvests. Arugula gives your salads a peppery kick, while mixed salad greens provide variety and are perfect for beginners. Planting several types together means you'll enjoy different flavors and textures every time you harvest. Add more than greens. A great salad garden isn't just about lettuce. Plant radishes for a crunchy bite that matures in about a month. Carrots add sweetness and store well after harvest. Green onions bring fresh flavor without taking up much space. You can also grow beets and enjoy both the nutritious leaves and the roots in your salads. Choosing the right spot. Most salad vegetables grow best with at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. If you have limited space, containers, raised beds, or even window boxes can produce excellent harvests. Good drainage is important, and using fresh potting mix or compost-enriched soil helps plants grow quickly. Watering and feeding salad greens prefer consistently moist soil. Water deeply whenever the top inch of soil begins to dry. Avoid letting the soil completely dry out, especially while seeds are germinating. Adding compost before planting provides many of the nutrients your vegetables need without complicated fertilizers. Harvest again and again. One of the best things about a salad garden is that many vegetables keep producing. Instead of pulling up the whole plant, harvest the outer leaves first. The center continues growing, allowing you to enjoy fresh salads week after week from the same plants. This method is called cut and come again, and it's perfect for beginners. Keep growing longer. Many salad vegetables tolerate light frost. If colder weather arrives early, cover your garden overnight with a frost cloth or lightweight row cover. A little protection can extend your harvest by several weeks, giving you fresh greens long after summer has ended. Growing your own fall salad garden is one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to enjoy fresh food at home. With just a few packets of seeds, healthy soil, and a little care, you'll be harvesting delicious salads throughout the season. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Soil to Harvest, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite ingredient in a fresh garden salad? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden.